there he goes. Air 1, get him. We need to light him up now. Where is he?
Stand by, we got visual. Stand by.
Units in Sullivan, can make it a right, heading toward Finland.
You got lights in that, Donnie?
No.
I do. Tim driving.
Yep, it's going Sullivan, just past Apricot, heading towards Finland.
People at the house are going to give him a heads up, they're aware. Whoever's at Saxon Finland with sticks.
Passing anchor now. Moving pretty good.
We don't need to light it up if it was him, just stick it.
Alright, he's going to be Saxon, turning on Saxon towards I-4.
Notify Seminole.
Merging on I-4 westbound now.
K942 is going to be getting on I-4 in 1 second.
He's merging on westbound now, far inside lane now, picking up speed.
Where's some other units there, Central? I'm all by myself here, getting off at 101C. Ryan, I'm right behind you. Behind you. I don't want any more than 2 units behind that car. Hey, be ready if he bangs at you, he's stick him when he comes back.
Eastbound on 46 now, passing under I-4.
See? U-turn back towards westbound.
He's got it. Get out of the fucking car.
2 cents, 2 cents. I got one right here.
Don't move, dude. Ray on.
Hey, check on Donnie. Check on Donnie. Shut up.
Get up on your knees.
Hey, is Donnie okay? That's fine. Stand up.
All right, we'll get you in a moment.
You wouldn't drive like an idiot, you wouldn't crash into people.
Can I get her out of here?
Yeah, get her through.
Were you wearing your seatbelt? Were you wearing your seatbelt?
We'll get you in a second.
Hey, we need rescue.
For one of our units.
Huh?
One of our units. Hey, you know what? Let's set him down right here so he don't.
Check my stomach.
Check your stomach?
Yeah.
It's right there. You still got it.